Hello children, this is Disha ma'am and today we are going to learn English. Yes, on the screen the picture which you are getting is of term 1 assessment, term and assessment 1, that is the term 1 paper. Now this paper, how would you solve it? You have already attempted PA1, that is periodic test 1's paper. Alright, this paper is also of the same format. ये वही पेपर है that we have been discussing and we have been writing last year also. The format has not changed, but yes, the marking scale has changed. Now, if you see the paper, on the first, the top, we can see your name, roll number, division, supervisor signature and date. Now fill the details which you feel to write. That means आपका नाम आप लिखिए, रोल नंबर लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, डिवीज़न आप लिखिए और डेट लिखिए. Right? Then come to the first section of the paper, that is the reading comprehension. Now in that reading comprehension you will have some passages, that is first passage, that is of reading, and one poem just below that. Right, now there are question answers. Can you see that there are question answers that we have already attempted last year also, the same format? Yes, the question would be different, so you have to write the answer which are given in the paragraph, but you need to find it out. Right, then comes the poem. The poem also follows some questions. As you can see, which animal is described in the poem, how are his ears and tail, who is the poet of the poem, make plural of carrot and ear, find antonym of huge and short. So these are the questions that you will get the answers from the poem itself. You don't need to go to find the answer. Now after that there is the scene passage. These two were unseen passages. The next is the scene passage. माने मैंने ये जो particular question number 3 है, that question I have taken from certain chapter of our textbook, of our course book. And can you tell me which one is that? Yes, we can see that one afternoon Dr. Kalam was taking his customary walk. Means this paragraph is taken from the chapter number 4, that is inspiring people. Now you have to read this paragraph and attempt the question answers, that is questions that is given below it. After that again read the poem. The poem is again a poem जिसे हमने पढ़ लिया है. ऊपर के 2 questions थे, they were unseen passages and poem, and third and fourth question is seen passage and seen poem. Right, so after reading this poem you have to attempt the question. Now in section B you can see that describe the given picture. It is very easy. We have been discussing, we have been practicing, we have been revising, describing the picture. तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप एक पैराग्राफ लिखेंगे where you will say something about the picture which is visible. Can you see this picture? Is it okay? Right, now the heading itself says playground time. That means it is a picture of a playground. Right, so you have to write the paragraph about this picture. Now on the question number 6, write a letter to your mother asking about her ill health. Means it is an informal letter which is to be written to your mother. Right, so आपने बहुत सारे letters हमने लिखे हैं, हमने improvisation सीखा है, revision किया है. So we will all continue writing the same thing. Next question is complete the sentences and put proper punctuation. Now here what you will do, you have to use your own imagination and complete this sentence. I help my mother. Now I help my mother sentence is incomplete. आप अपना खुद का दिमाग चला के you have to write the answer. Any answer is okay, that is fine. Right, and you have to punctuate it. माने if it is a simple statement, write a full stop. If it is a question, write a question mark. That ways, right? Now, as you will go down, this all are from grammar portion, right? This exercises till 10C. These questions are from the grammar portion. Now coming to the last segment of the question, that is section number C, literature. Literature माने हमारी जो कोर्स बुक में से उठाए गए क्वेश्चंस है वो. So the first question is, give the meanings of. As you know, every single chapter that we have learned till today contains word meanings, and this word meanings are to be learned by you. So this word meanings, you have to write the answer of this word meanings, right? And coming to the next question, answer the following question any 9 sorry. आपको इसमें से जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स जो हमने सीखे हुए चैप्टर में से है ही है, you have to attempt any of the 9 question answers. How many question answers are given? There are 10 question answers, so you can skip any one which you don't know और जो आपको ठीक से नहीं आता है, right? So these are answer in short, you can say. And next question, that is the answer in detailed answer. लंबे लंबे जो answers थे, that answer, detailed answers come into this fragment, right? So there are 3 answers, 3 questions, but you need to attempt only 2, right? And last column, children, very easy, fun exercise. Classify the following in the proper column. So you have to write which is good and which is bad characteristic, which we have already done in the textbook exercise. All right, chalo. So this is how you attempt the paper. I hope you will be sitting calmly with a peaceful mind while attempting this paper. Right. All the best for your paper. For any queries, don't hesitate to call me. Right? Chali. Bye bye. Take care.